Hi, I'm Julian Cattle, Project Manager for the new build hospital here in Ansagalee. This is the second rather awkward video interview, but a week on from the last one we've done pretty well. We've started laying block on the actual hospital, which you can just sort of see behind me, so that's the first course of block going in. Had a few issues with it. The block plant, the mould's broken, so we've only got 600 instead of 1,000, but I believe we're getting another 1,000 on Saturday. So block laying's going pretty well. Also our site grading and levelling is also going pretty well. We've now finished the central platform between the wards. So yeah, generally good progress this week. Yeah, no problem.